Hello guys, BGMI facing so much of bugs in the latest July update. The latest version of version 1.5.0, the ignition having several game functional issues. These are the issues faced by BGMI players: automatic gun firing, voice bugs, UC reduction problems, super smooth graphics is not available, problems with the sprint button also. And many users complaining about various bugs also. Krafton already knows about this and they are working on this to solve these kind of problems, but it's more than many days players are struggling to play the game. Krafton asked the customers to raise the ticket. If players facing any kind of issues, you can raise the ticket in the customer care section. Krafton said the next update will be rolling out within a week, so don't worry, everyone is facing the same issues. It's not because of your mobile specifications, it's only because of your buggy update. In an upcoming update, BGMA is with new features and buildings and scenarios from the PUBG New State, and PUBG New State is not yet released right now, and also BGMA is going to include more Tesla manufacturing gigafactory units across 4 different locations in the Erangel map, so that the players can easily watch how Tesla Y model and the Tesla truck model is manufactured, and also with the new feature of class clan models. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. I am Manoj and this is VTuber.